Welcome back to DIY Reid. So today, I'm going to show you on the Toro, when you get the transmission gear problem, the grinding noise, how to fix that. So really, it's pretty easy and pretty simple. And a lot of these Toros have been plagued with it. I think personal pace is the one that usually has this problem. It's because Toro decided it was a good idea to put plastic gears to mate up with the metal gears on some of their applications. This is a Toro Recycler 22-inch personal pace. There are certain years that have this issue. There are other years that have the metal gear and metal gear on there, and this is not one of them. I'll try to look for that information and link it in the description or put it on the video. But this one has that issue. What happens is these teeth round off. And then so right now, I bet you this one's got a few that are good and a few that are bad. Let's go ahead and take a look. First and foremost, if you're going to work on an engine that can be started with a pull chain, you want to unhook the spark plug wire from the spark plug, just to be safe. Now on these, they have little bolts. 12 millimeters, no, half inch actually, I think. And it's got a plastic cover that goes behind it. And then you got the bolt. As suspected, you can see these have rounded off completely compared to the nice ones right here. Now, if you do want to change this gear out and get the ones with the metal gear on it, you'll have to change this gear on this end out. I think it's pressed on. It's got a C-clamp right there, or a C-clip, but I believe that's probably pressed on too as well. They'll probably remove easily, but I'll have to look for those too. I'll put them in the description if I find them. But that would be the best bet, to be quite honest. But at the end of the day, we're just going to replace it with this, with the factory ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this and move up the hole, and we're going to put the new one in. Now you'll have to line up the gears with the transmission and the wheel. Make sure everything's open up. We'll tighten that. But now, it runs smooth. Still got some noise, but it should be fine there. But now it's smooth. Now, you want to make sure there's no side-to-side play. There is just a little bit. We can probably get rid of that by putting a shim behind the plate, but I think we're going to leave this be for now. So now we're going to try it on the other side. Same process. I won't show you on the video because it's the same exact thing. However, that's how you're going to fix that transmission problem on these Toros. So I'll link these in the description. I got them on Amazon for about, I think it was 15 or 18 bucks a piece. And it's a pretty easy fix.